Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that tells us more about noun or pronoun. It's a word that tells us more about noun or pronoun. It means it describes the noun or pronoun. It describes noun or pronoun. किसी संख्या और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं. For example, Anu is young. Here, which is the noun here? Anu. Here we describes Anu, that noun. What is that? She is young. How is she? She is young. So, which is the adjective here? Young. Then, next sentence. Anu is young and beautiful. In this sentence, there are two adjectives. Which are they? Young and beautiful. We describes the noun Anu, that she is young and beautiful. So there are two adjectives, young and beautiful. Then she is intelligent. Here we used pronoun. What is the pronoun of the noun Anu? Anu का pronoun क्या है? She. She is intelligent. We describes the pronoun that she is intelligent. Intelligent is the adjective here. Dear students, now we can see the comparison of adjectives. Comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. In English, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Which are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. When do they use these degrees of adjectives? When we compare something, compare 2 things or more than 2 things or person. First we will see the positive degree. This offers no comparison. This offers no comparison. It is the normal positive word. Next, comparative degree. When we compare 2 persons or things with the adjective changing its form, it is called comparative degree. For example, bigger, taller, fatter, thinner. This compares 2 things to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. See, this compares 2 things to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. 2 चीज़ों की तुलना करते हैं जिसमें गुणवत्ता का स्तर कम या ज़्यादा होता है. See, next one, superlative degree. When we compare 3 or more things and the adjective is in its superlative form, it is called superlative degree. When we compare 3 or more things and the adjective is in its superlative form, it is called superlative degree. For example, tallest, biggest, fattest, thinnest. That means this compares more than 2 things to show which has the least or greatest degree of the quality. 2 से अधिक चीज़ों की तुलना करते हैं जिसमें गुणवत्ता की सबसे कम या सबसे बड़ी वो दिखाते हैं. One thing you have to remember that with the short adjectives we use ER in comparative degree, EST in superlative degree. We add ER and EST with the adjectives. For example, bigger, biggest, smaller, smallest. We use ER and EST with that adjectives. But with the long adjectives, we use more in comparative degree, most in superlative degree. For example, more beautiful, most beautiful. More difficult, most difficult. More confused, most confused. Here we used more and most before the adjectives. Now we can go through some examples. अगर हमको ऐसा बताना कि अमन छोटा है, then how to say Aman is small? See, here we used positive degree, small. अगर हमको ऐसा बताना कि अमन आदि से छोटा है, then how to say Aman is smaller than Adi? Here we used comparative degree because here we compare two things, two persons, Adi and Aman. So we used a comparative degree. Here we used the word than. When we compare two things, we use than. Then अगर हमको ऐसा बताना कि अमन क्लास में सबसे छोटा है, then how to say Aman is the smallest in the class. Aman is the smallest in the class. Here we used superlative degree. Compare more than two things or persons. अमन क्लास में से सभी बच्चों के साथ तुलना कर रहे हैं. So here we compare more than two persons or things. In superlative degree, we compare more than two things or persons. Dear students, you have to remember one thing, that when we use comparative degree, we add than with the comparative form. And when we use superlative degree, we add the with the superlative form. For example, bigger than, smaller than, taller than, that is comparative degree. Then in superlative degree, the tallest, the biggest, the smallest, the highest. Now we can move to the second one, big, bigger, the biggest. Black, blacker, the blackest. Bright, brighter, the brightest. Clean, cleaner, the cleanest. Clever, cleverer, the cleverest. Confused, more confused, the most confused. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Dirty, dirtier, and the dirtiest. Fascinating, more fascinating, the most fascinating. Famous, more famous, the most famous. Far, farther, the farthest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Fat, fatter, the fastest. Fierce, fairer, the fairest. Late, later, the latest. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the degrees of comparison. Have a nice day. Thank you.